अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सो मैं अभी जो है स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ और बेसिकली मसला सारा ये हुआ है कि आई रियलाइज दैट जावास्क्रिप्ट इज़ नॉट अ गुड इनफ टूल for AI. So it's not that bad of a realization. Yeah, I knew it somehow, but at the same time, like I didn't know how terrible it was. And like a lot of people have clear great advantages over using other tools than this JavaScript only. JavaScript has LangChain, which is a tool still used in Python projects for AI, but at the same time, it does is miss the upper part where it has like better embeddings, different kind of embeddings and creating vector spaces. And also then there's the connectors are missing, like completely different world. I also mentioned this in the previous stream as well. So like completely different world that as compared to what I am doing or what I'm willing to do. So basically we'll go over here. This is Llama Chain and Chain Artificial. Here's the documentation. Crazy here. So here's the documentation. I think this is not the documentation, but rather here. Yeah, I should bookmark this one. I'm not sure why. Yeah, how is it creating index? But anyway, derive. Yeah. Okay, makes more sense now. This part is growing and growing, so I think soon I will need to. I think I've made a duplicate. Yeah, these are this duplicate. No, these are docs, and these are like the home page. But this, yeah. Okay, so tools are over here, which is like index structure. अब मैं इसको एक एक को explore करूँ और फिर इसको समझूँ ज़्यादा आसान है एज कम्पेयर टू के मैं जावास्क्रिप्ट पे जाऊँ. आप देखें इसमें कितने टाइप ऑफ इंडेक्सिंग दी हुई है, विच वाज नॉट पॉसिबल बिफोर. सो दिस इज़ रियली डूइंग द ग्रेट जॉब फॉर यू. जो मुझे चीज़ चाहिए थी वो ये थी कि प्रॉम्प्ट टेम्पलेट्स है इसमें. प्रॉम्प्ट टेम्पलेट्स आर रियली गुड थिंग एज वेल. बट द अदर थिंग दैट आई वाज रियली इंटरेस्टेड इन क्वेरी ओवर योर डेटा. ये एसक्यूएल का डेमो है. राउटिंग ओवर multi-step. No, where's the documentation for complete data connectors? Yeah, here. But ये guide नहीं है, basically ये data connector और data connector Llama. Yeah, through this. So I really want to utilize this one. As of now, मैं जो है ना बस like एक को parse करो और ये करो. I just want to be able to do everything, like parse, CSV, PPT, whatever it is, like whatever. Like give me GitHub repo, give me Gmail, give me GPT repo, Intercom. Oh my God, Jira. Like this. Like Jira itself has a lot of use cases, and if it can handle any of it, it is a great opportunity that lies over there. So let's see that there's like, let's say you want to monitor your own S3 structure. You can just use this. Maybe you want to check on sizes of files and stuff like that, or maybe you want to organize them after someone has uploaded a file. Like possibilities are all endless. Maybe you can also query over it that, okay, what you can do. I would be really interested in doing the Google Sheet. I'm not sure if it is supported. Yeah, it is supported. The Google Sheet is also one of the more interesting part for me because there is a lot of tools that can be built around the sheet part, the dataset part, and I'm really interested in that thing. So this is page CSV, Panda CSV, file JSON files are also very good, and books parsing, EPUB, and all these kind of support. All these are out of box, and this guy, I remember this guy making a dad joke connector. And it's not very hard to basically make a dad joke connector if I can show you. Sure, where it is, data connector. If it is part of the same repository or a different one, I'm not sure. But I've seen that. I've seen like a merge request where like guy was giving. It was just a like a young guy, really young guy. That connector. I was not able to find it, but I read it somewhere. Maybe if I go into pull request or something. This is for Llama index basically. This will not have it, so I need to go to the hub. I'm not sure if it is the same thing or a different thing. I don't remember actually. Poor me. Let's go back. Llama hub popular sent. Oh yes, let's see, add a loader. So you can create your own loaders. Like this is really interesting that you can. I think मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में बहुत integrations किए, तो creating a loader would be really nice thing. I think I would do that. At least this will give me a deeper understanding of how it is working. I think here it is. No, yes, no, yes, no. Would it be dad joke? No, dad. Is it under some category? But if I go to the pull request and maybe let's say open, not the open, but rather the closed. No, should have been pretty simple if I found it this way. but it was really funny. I want to see it now. There's a loader before okay, so Llama Hub repo देखनी है. Here it is. I will bookmark also. I will bookmark it for future references. The one I will still bookmark it. So loader hub, I think. Oh yes, here. Dad joke. Not too difficult. Like this guy made it really funny, and it's not too difficult. Like just import some base readers, get the dad joke, and return it. And then this function that returns a random dad joke, and I guess that's about it. It's not too difficult to contribute back as well. Like as I may not understand the Python very well right now, but I think it's just a matter of time. Like this is like a dad joke reader. It's a class. You can pass a base reader, and then what are you doing with the base reader? I would say. Let's see if it is doing something with the base reader. Or is it just mandatory to pass it? Okay. This is not a parameter, but rather it is like abstract class of it. Okay. I'm sorry. That's I don't know. This is I don't know Python. But okay. This is definitely code comment if I remember correctly. Or उसके बाद get random dad joke and load data. So basically every loader must have a load data thing. If you go over here as well. This is rather more difficult, but you will see a load data kind of thing function. If I search for it, load data. Yeah, here. So every loader must define the load data part. So basically how the data would be loaded after it is defined. What is Billy? Billy, I'm not reading it wrong, right? Yes. Interesting, man. Interesting. So this is actually transcripting the videos. Imagine this tool in your hands. Then you get all the transcript of the video. You get, like, say, listen to a match commentary or something, and you just want to analyze, okay, when did they miss the run out? How many times did the bowler was close to bowling someone out? And you just posted a video, or then it is just passing it. It's amazing. So with the video URL, that's all. So it's really, really great tool, and a lot of things are built over there. This is definitely a library to contribute to. I will really look forward to maybe inshallah when I get a little bit better, I can definitely make some contributions over here. But right now I'm interested in how it is doing with the CSV part. I think they have a parser called Panda CSV or something, if I'm not wrong, or maybe Panda CSV is let's see, CSV, do they have it? This is external loader. So if I remember correctly, it mentioned over here that you should go to Llama indexed repo directly. If you have a loader PR by default, try to create it to Llama Hub, and you will make it exception in certain cases. For instance, if you think that it should be core of the Llama index. So CSV is definitely at the core of it. So yeah. So I will go to the core now. Yeah, here. मुझे यहाँ पे भी ढूंढना पड़ेगा. Should be under scripts. No, I have literally little clue where it will be. Readers should be readers, and pinecone. Okay, and maybe in the file. But okay, I will take any of it as an example. I guess phase is the one that gives me the credibility for CSV. I think phase is, let me see. What is it? I've seen it. So, oh, this is a different library, but it is also really, really helpful and also nice. So the algorithm is implemented on the GPU, so it uses your GPU power. But let's say I will take example of JSON reader. So here maybe you pass the JSON reader, read the JSON document with this. So this is definitely possibly an initializer. So it's taking the file that you input over here. So basically file path, and after that it downloads the file. Oh, basically loads the file, not download. Loads the file in the memory. And levels back. What is that? Levels back. Maybe some parameter over the initialization might be something, and doesn't have to be defined. So I will skip it. I don't want to understand what is level back's doing, but maybe when I read the documentation make more sense. As instead, we just format and make each line an embedding. Oh, so now each line will be an embedding. There's an output JSON term, data indent. This is also one way of formatting things, is to basically have, it's called LJSON or JSON-L, a JSON line basically. So basically एक लाइन जो होती है वो एक डॉक्यूमेंट बन जाता है, which is super nice. क्योंकि सर्च करने में वो फिर एक लाइन के थ्रू टोटल वेक्टर्स होते हैं वो सारे, और उनके अक्रॉस सर्च हो जाता है, तो बहुत ही आसानी हो जाती है और सुपर फास्ट भी होता है. I can show you an example, maybe not right now, but in future streams I can show you an example as well.